Hello traders, this is Steve Gould, an associate analyst with Grok Trade. Today is January 20th, 2011 at 8:53 p.m. And today my son turned 21 years old and we went out and celebrated. So consequently this video is a little bit late. I am stuffed full of cake, ice cream, candles. I ate it all. So let's take a look at crude oil and follow up on the analysis I did a couple days ago. If you remember, if you go back, I said I got short right about here because I thought it was going to turn around. It was still below this 50-hour. This is an hourly chart, by the way. It was below the 50-hour moving average. This was on the 14th. I did it just before the close of the trading day. And it looked like it was a good trade down here when we had this big red candle, and then it started going back up, and I actually got out of the position because it looked like it crossed the 50-hour moving average. Everything was turning green. It looked like it was going to go back up, and then the Chinese do something silly, and all the commodities come crashing down. Now, if you haven't already taken the Grok Trade Mentor Series classes, those would be a good thing to take because you would learn some of this type of technical analysis. But when you get a bullish, or this is actually a bearish engulfing candle like this, you don't want to get short here. I mean, this negated a move that goes back days almost. What you want to do is you want to wait for a retracement. And the retracement came right here. This is where you would get short again. And as you can see, crude oil just continued to go down. So looking on a daily basis here, let's bring that up. I actually got short here, and then there was a signal here. It looks like always wait for the close of the candle. That's all I can say is wait for the close of the candle. And then there was a sell signal there. It was below the moving averages, blah blah blah. All the technical analysis you would learn in the Mentor Series, and turns out it was a good trade. Now, what do we see? We see a 50-day moving average. It came right up to it, and it is now bouncing off of this. We're live. I anticipate there being a retracement. It looks like we already got some of the retracement. If we go back to the hourly, here's a retracement. We're live here, and it's turning down, but typically you will get a closer retracement to this 50-hour moving average, so we'll have to see how that plays out overnight. Oil, as predicted, is going down. Now, how long will it go down? Let's bring up the seasonals. It should go down to the middle of February. And how far it will go down and how deep is the retracement, and is this just a little blip on the radar screen? Don't know yet. So you need to stay nimble, but somewhere around the middle of February, you want to start looking long, and because crude oil goes up, and I have a feeling that this is going to be a big move like it has in the past. If we bring up the monthly bars, now will it be as big as this? This actually covered 2 years, but if you look at the seasonals and you compare the times that it was going up, it was doing it from February until July. So like this move right in here. So let's keep an eye on crude oil, and we'll keep you posted.